This is the sad part of having a niche. I know that a lot of YouTubers, they are still confused if they are supposed to have a niche or not, if they should be posting everything, anything they like on their channel. So this is me telling you that having a niche is the best. Yes, nobody says you cannot have 2 or 3 YouTube channels. If you know that you have interest in cooking, for example, you have interest in sewing, and you also have interest in reaction content, you cannot say because you have interest in these 3 niches you should be doing them in one channel. It is not the best. So the best thing is for you to create different channels for these 3 niches, and then start posting. It will make your channel very organized. When I started YouTube, I didn't have a niche. I was just posting randomly anything I like. I was just posting on that particular channel. Even this one, if you check down, you will notice that I also made the same mistake here. So I was posting. So the thing is that YouTube, they want to understand what your channel is all about, so that they will be able to push it to the right people. There are people that do not watch how to grow on YouTube. There are people like that. You should know. So when they see those kind of videos, they swipe because they're not interested. They don't want to. They don't want to be a YouTuber. Why there are people that is what they are looking for every day. They are looking for tips, tricks. You get. So whenever they see videos like that, they stay and they watch. So those kind of people are the people that YouTube will share your videos to. They will push it to if you are into the YouTube education niche. So having a niche is very important. You might be starting newly and you'll be like, I don't know what to talk about on my channel. Please take your time and ask yourself what you want. It will make your channel so organized. You see this channel, I just posted this video. This channel, I started this channel with YouTube tips and tricks and all those stuff. Along the line, I said it's not going well. I was battling with low views, so I said, let me switch to reaction content, and I'll be doing reaction content for over a year. Though I was not very consistent, but I was always posting reaction content. Anytime I upload a video, it was reaction. So finally, I monetized my first YouTube channel, Ivy's channel. So after I monetized that channel, and that channel I monetized it with reaction content, I said to myself that I cannot be doing reaction content in 2 videos, in 2 channels. It is tiring. I don't know about you. So people do it, but for me, I just want to be talking about something different. And for the fact that I studied education in school, I love to teach. Yes, if you have been following me for a long time, you will know that I love to teach. If you check my channel, this channel, you will see that there are some tutorials videos I did. Till now, they are still getting views because it was so easy for people to understand. So I said, why don't I go into tutorial videos like you get, and then YouTube education niche where I talk about YouTube, I share my experience and all those stuff. So that was why I came back to start posting about YouTube on this channel. And the first 3 videos I posted, I don't think anyone have got it to 10 views. It might have gotten now, but at the time of me filming this video, none has gotten to 10 views. So that is to say that YouTube is still trying to understand what is happening in this channel. So the problem now is that YouTube is still trying to understand what this channel, Ivy Space, is all about. They'll be like, I'll be posting about reaction content, talking about people and the rest. Now I'm talking about this. So most of the subscribers I have now, they came from reaction, and they might not be interested in YouTube education. So it's not looking as if I'm starting again. You get, it's not looking like I'm starting again. And that single act now made me to understand that this is the importance of keeping a niche and having a niche. It is very, don't let anybody to tell you otherwise. Oh, having a niche is very important. If you don't know what you should settle for, like in terms of your niche, please take your time to know what you know you can do, that people will watch and they will enjoy, they will not get tired of it. And you know, under niche we have sub niche. This niche is related, like you can be doing family content now. You are traveling, you are cooking, you are making your hair, you are washing, all of them, they are niche and sub niche. That is what it means. So having a niche is the best thing you can do for your channel, because this channel now is struggling. But am I going to give up? No, I'm still going to continue posting about YouTube, because seriously, I love it. I'll be posting tutorial videos and posting about YouTube, and I really hope that it picks up. It picks up. That is what I am planning. That is what I'm hoping for. I really hope that it picks up. So I'm not going to stop posting on this channel, and I'm not going to go back to reaction content, because if I want to react, I will react on my first channel. I cannot be doing two reaction channels. I can't. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of my update, because I'm going to be teaching very practical examples using my first channel as a case study, because that channel is monetized. I'll be sharing how much YouTube pays in that particular channel. Is it worth it? Whether short is worth it or not, whether you should continue posting short videos or not, because some people are saying that you should not post short, that short will ruin your channel. So just stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing all this with you, so that when you start a YouTube channel, you will know that you have gotten a lot of information that is okay for you to start. So guys, that is it for this video. Please kindly like this video, share this video, and drop a comment. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.